Japan. A country like Japan, they just don't throw their basura anywhere. They keep it in their pockets and throw it at home because there's a very good system for bringing the garbage out. That is the first problem. So it's not useful to fine people for not throwing their garbage if there is no place to put their garbage. So that's of course people are aware that there are fines. Nobody wants to be fined. Wala namang gusto na mamumultahan. Pero kailangan bigyan din natin ng facilities na kung saan pwede itapon yung basura. Ganun lang kasimple kung minsan yan eh. Minsan ganyan lang kasimple yung problema. Okay.
Thank you very much. Given the situation, would you categorize this as garbage crisis?
Yeah, it certainly is. Just look at it. Does that look critical to you? It does to me. So yes, I wouldn't call it a garbage crisis, but that is the problem that we are facing.
So yung waste to energy is something you can do in the short term?
It's not so easy to do because we have to put the system together. We've never done it before. We still have to. Well, in terms of the technical side, that's done. Natapos na natin yon. Now what we are trying to do is to put the system together. How it will be, what is the relationship with the LGUs to the waste to energy plant, where the locations are, what group is actually going to come in. We already have identified, like I said, they're already auctioning by maybe in a couple of months on how much will be sold or how much energy will be sold to the Department of Energy and at what rate. So it's a new system that we really have to start putting in place. Maybe we will begin to see it in a year and a half. We'll push it as quickly as we can, certainly. All right.